Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have a Holystone HS430. This thing is like super compact, as you can tell from the box. So let's open it up, see what we get inside. Alright. So open this side up. And yeah, I have it upside down, so I'll open that up. And this thing is awesome looking already. A nice compact little design here. And I always like how when they pack these things, they're always like packed on top of one another. So in this pack right here, we have your charging cables. And a whole bunch of other stuff. I didn't expect that in there. Okay, so it has like your blade bumper guards that you can put on, which is cool, especially for indoor flights. You got some extra propellers, and then you get this is your controller. But in the meantime, let's get some of these batteries charging. So you do get two batteries, which is like really neat. So you have like twice as much flight time. So open this one up. And it looks like it has like a USB, I think it's a mini port on it. So you're looking for on your batteries, it's near the plug part. So you basically push that in and then you plug it into, you know, any type of USB adapter will work. Like if you have an adapter, if you have a charging block from your cell phone, you can even plug it into your laptop to power up. I usually have these little extension cords that have like USB power ports on them. So that's pretty cool. Alright, then that is your drone. So it is nice and compact. So yeah, that's cool. Then you have your little camera on there. That's your power switch.
Motion detected at the side.
So this has a lot going on with it. And this is your second battery, so I'll make sure we get that opened up and ready to start charging. And then this is your remote control. So basically by taking a look at it, you open it up. And then this is your screen holder, or your cell phone. You put it in there. It opens up pretty wide, so accommodate most larger cell phones on the market. And then you have your low and high switch. That's your power button. This is your take to take pictures with the camera, or to take a video. This is your up and down takeoff, and then obviously your joystick controller on that. Let's open up, see what this takes. This takes 3 AAA batteries. So I think I have some of those laying around over here. Yep, okay. We use the Amazon basic ones because they're awesome. So we'll put each battery in here. Okay, so that is your controller ready to go. And here is your booklet, your operational instructions. And Holystone puts a lot of information in here. So there's a lot of features on the drones, even like some of their smaller ones. So make sure that you are reading through just to see some different maintenance things. It's going to have your QR code in here, so you can scan that, so you can get the operational mode for like your cell phone, so it can show you the video and everything on there. And it will show you how to take off and everything else. So we're going to review all that, and we'll go outside. And this camera, it is manually adjustable. So I usually kind of like leave them at like a 45-degree angle, so it gives you a general idea. And again, it's one of their smaller drones, so you're not going to have all, you know, those fancy features some of the bigger drones have. But these little guys are stable. They fly great. They have a great camera on them. They record great video, take great photos. And like I said, it's a smaller, compact drone, so it's like one of these where, you know, it's great for doing a variety of little, you know, flights indoors or outdoors. But anyway, so let's go outside. We'll show you how to fly it, and we'll be right back. All right, here we are out the lake, and let's get this HS430 ready. All right, so here's the drone. So we're basically going to unfold unfold that, and our battery goes in this way. And then we hold that switch in, and I'll turn that on. And again, we have to manually control the camera. We're going to set that at probably about like a 45 degree. I found to be the best viewing, depending on what you're looking for. And then we're going to open our phone up, and then we're going to go into our camera mode, and we're going to take the QR code, which will give us the store link. Just click on that. So I already have this downloaded, so we're just going to open it. And then I am going to go down to the Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn that on. And we're going to look for this drone. So we're going to connect to it. Then we're going to go back to the camera operations, enter device. So connect at this time. And so here's that camera connected. Alright, so we're going to put that onto the remote. As you flip up this cover, then we can put the camera, aka our phone, here. So let's put that over the edge so we get a little bit of better camera view. So a couple things in preparation. So pairing, you're basically going to go up and down on this lever. Oh, help if I turn it on. So that means that it is paired with this drone. Okay. So next, on the next page, calibrating the gyro. We're basically going to put both of these sticks down in the bottom corners for a quick second. Now it's going to recalibrate the gyro, so it basically knows it's neutral on the ground and ready to go. Then we're going to unlock the motors. So we're going to put them both together like this. Now it's going to unlock. And then this is our instant up and instant down. Press that, it's going to lift off. So we'll get a little bit of altitude. So that's pretty cool. And then we'll fly it out over the lake a little bit.